Yo guys, what is up? Legit Luke here today, and today we are going to be learning how to solve the Ivy Cube. Now this is the Ivy Cube, and the reason why it's called an Ivy Cube is because it has an ivy-shaped leaf, which is why they call it. So the way this turns basically is you can turn it like this. So it's basically turning with two pieces, but at a circular angle. Yeah, but today we're just going to go over a tutorial on how to solve this cube, so let's get into it. Alright, so first we're going to solve the white side, and this will be the center. These will be the center pieces, and this will be the edge piece. All edge pieces are going to have three sides, and that's for any cube. That's like kind of regular. So we're just going to find a piece that we can just turn up, and this is a piece that we can turn up to the center. All we have to do is just bring the center down so it matches this. Now you gotta find the next piece, and it's right here. But this time if we bring it up, it's right here. So we want to rotate it. So we're gonna bring it down, and then all we do is just rotate this. So I'm gonna rotate it once, bring it up, that works. Sometimes you might have to rotate it twice, like this, but in this case we don't. So we're gonna bring that up. So that's pretty simple for the white side. But now we are gonna solve the yellow side. So it's kind of hard because you basically, for the yellow side, you just have to move it out of the way and then rotate the piece up. So I'm going to start, where's the yellow piece? The two yellow pieces have to be right here. So all you really have to do is move this out of the way, rotate on the right side until the yellow piece is up, and then bring the yellow center back up. And now this yellow piece right here, we're going to move this out of the way, rotate the yellow piece up, and then just bring it back. So now this is the last step in solving the cube. So this is the first stage. There could be multiple stages, two to be exact. So the first stage, all you do, it doesn't matter as long as the white's on one side and the yellow's on one side. You just go up, over, down, up. And then this will give it so there's only one piece in the right position. So now we have to hold it with the piece red on the bottom. And we know we're holding it right because if we were to bring this center up, it would match with the edge. And I couldn't do it this way because the center would not match up with the edge. But I can do it this way where the center matches up with the edge. So we're going to do the same algorithm. We're going to bring it up, we're going to bring it out of the way, we're going to bring it over, and we're going to bring it back. And that is it. So this was a very simple tutorial on how to solve an Ivy cube. Not a very big cube, not too many pieces because the center and edges are stuck together. But yeah, let's go to the outro now. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications if you're new. And also, thanks for the support on my Cube Ultimate video. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to Austin Feltron, QManT. That's ridiculous. Minecraft Cool Dude. But right now, Minecraft Cool Dude's games of fun. So that's Minecraft Cool Dude, by the way. He just posted a new video. Also, make sure to subscribe to TBF Kong and KIA Clan. As I said, subscribe to me most importantly, and I'll be coming out with new Rubik's Cube videos soon, so comment if you want me to do any other tutorial. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.